You've probably heard it your entire life. Save your money in the bank. But here's the truth. In 2025, that old advice is outdated. While your savings sit in a 1% account, inflation, hidden fees, and low yields are quietly destroying your wealth, and the banks love it. So today, I'm going to share the real savings hacks that actually work in 2025, the ones banks don't want you to know. Because if you use even 2 of these strategies, you'll instantly be ahead of 90% of people still saving the old way. Let's start with why the system is built the way it is, and why most people lose money while saving. Flying money 1. The hidden bank trick that keeps you poor. Banks want you to think they're helping you save safely, but when you deposit money, they immediately loan your cash out, earning 6 to 10%, while giving you less than 1%. They profit off your savings every single day. In 2025, the smart move is to ditch low-interest accounts and use high-yield savings or treasury-backed accounts with real returns. If your savings account doesn't beat inflation, it's not saving, it's slow-motion losing. Light bulb 2. The auto save and invest method. The biggest problem with saving isn't the account, it's consistency. People say, "I'll save what's left." Spoiler: nothing's ever left, so set it and forget it. Apps like Wealthfront, Betterment, and even Fidelity now let you automate savings directly into short-term ETFs or money market funds, earning up to 5% plus. It's how I'd tell a beginner to start. Step 1. Automate $50 to $100 per week. Step 2. Let compounding handle the rest. Bar graph 3. The inflation-proof savings hack. Inflation in 2025 still averages 3 to 4%. That means your $1,000 today is worth only about $960 a year later. So, how do you protect it? Move part of your savings into Series 1 bonds, T-bills, or short-term bond ETFs, all of which currently yield more than traditional accounts. Smart savers don't avoid risk, they manage it. Cell phone 4. Digital banks with real benefits. Traditional banks are slow, outdated, and fee-heavy. But digital banks in 2025, like SoFi, Revolut, and Chime, are rewriting the rules. No minimums, higher yields, cashback on savings, automated financial planning tools. If you're still banking with legacy institutions that give you 0.5%, you're literally funding their bonuses. Lock 5. The emergency plus growth split strategy. Most people dump all their cash into one account and call it a day. That's a mistake. You need 2 savings buckets. Emergency fund, 3 to 6 months expenses, keep in high-yield savings or T-bills. Growth fund, park in low-risk ETFs or robo-portfolios earning 4 to 6%. That balance gives you liquidity and growth. Liquidity buys peace of mind, growth buys freedom. Brain 6. Cut silent expenses, save 10% instantly. One of the easiest savings hacks is eliminating what I call silent expenses. Those $10, $15, $30 subscriptions that auto-renew while you forget. Use apps like Rocket Money or Truebill. They scan, cancel, and even negotiate better rates for you. Cutting just 5 of those could save you $1,000 a year. And yes, that's basically a free vacation. Moneybag 7. Hidden income boosters banks ignore. Saving isn't only about cutting, it's about earning smarter. Use cashback credit cards that give 2 to 5% on everything. Or side apps like Sweatcoin, Cashback Monitor, or Airbnb micro hosting for passive cash flow. Every extra dollar saved or earned compounds. It's how you make your money work for you. High voltage 8. The bank bonus secret. Here's a secret hack no one talks about: bank bonuses. In 2025, many online banks pay $200 to $600 just for switching or setting direct deposit. Do this twice a year, and you've added $1,000 plus to your savings without lifting a finger. The biggest mistake people make isn't not earning enough, it's letting their money sleep while the banks work overtime. By automating your savings, using digital tools, and thinking like an investor, you'll beat inflation, grow your wealth, and stop being the bank's best customer. If you found this helpful, drop a comment with your favorite hack and subscribe, because we're just getting started.